Hello everyone. The next topic for today's lecture is the decoding of LZW. We have already seen the encoding procedure in our earlier lecture for LZW, that is dictionary based technique. So now we are only going to see how we can decode the LZW given sequence and what is the procedure. So let's understand it with the help of an example. It's important that you should see the earlier video of encoding technique of LZW so that it will be easier for you to understand the decoding technique, right? So let's see, I have already told you that in the question, whether it's encoding or decoding, you will be given the initial dictionary that is defined as the index and the entry, right? So here you have been given a sequence that is need to be decoded, and the initial dictionary is given as the index 1 to 5, that is 1 for B bar, 2 for A, 3 for B, 4 for O, and 5 for W. So what you have to do is we have to do two things. We have to maintain the dictionary and we have to give the output sequence. So what we have to do, the first step is just maintain the dictionary and enter the initial index which are already given in the question. So we have already entered it till 5. Now what we have to do is this is the output. We are going to see how we have achieved this particular output, right? So let's start up with this. So first thing is we have to start up with the codes that is given as the index. First we figure out that this is 5. So let's check in the given sequence of index 5. 5 is for W. So I'm going to just write W for this. Next is 2. So let's see, 2 is for A, right? So I'm going to write A. Next is 3. So 3 in the dictionary is for B. So let me write B here. Next we have again 3. So again we need to write B for this one. Then we have 2. Now it's simple. For 2 we have which symbol? A again. Then we have 1. Now for 1 we have B bar. This is B bar for 1. Then we have 6. Now we just have up till 5. We have not maintained any dictionary for 6. So what we need to do? We have to update this dictionary and we have to generate the sequence, right? So as you can see, up till now it was very easy for us because the initial dictionary was already maintained from 1 to 5 and we have defined the sequence accordingly. Now for this 6, what we have to do, we have to generate the dictionary. We have to add on for the dictionary. Now doing the same procedure as we were doing in the encoding procedure. So let's see, we have to start up with WA. W is because W is already there in the dictionary at the 5th position. Now we are going to see WA. So WA is not there in the dictionary. So at the 6th position, I make a new entry for WA, right? Again, if you all remember, then we have to overlap this. We have to take one symbol earlier that we have already taken. So I'm going to encounter from A. So I'm going to take AB, right? Next is AB. For AB, I have AB is not there in the dictionary till now. So AB is done at the 7th position, right? So I can just write at the 6th position. We can generate it further at the end. At 6th position, we have WA. So I can write WA here, right? At the 7th position, I have entered AB. Okay. Now moving further, BB. Now you can see BB is not there in the dictionary. So at the 8th position, I'll enter BB. Now you can see 8 is already defined here. So I can just enter the BB at this particular position. Right. Now going back to the sequence, we have done till here BB. Now taking the earlier symbol and then BA. So BA, we can see BA is not there in the dictionary till 8th. So I'm going to make a new entry for 9th index, that is BA, right? Then further, I'm going to take A, B bar. You can see A, B bar is again not present from 1 to 9. So a new entry is made at 10th position that is being named as A, B bar. Now you can see next is 10th. So 10th position, I can decode it as A, B bar. Right? Now going back to the sequence, what we have done till A, B bar. Up till here we are done. So now moving further, I'll take B bar again, B bar W. So B bar W, taking B bar W is not there in the sequence of dictionary anywhere. So at the 11th position, I'll make a new entry as B bar W. Right? Now moving further, I'm going to take W again and WA. W is already present in the dictionary at 6th index. So I'm going to encounter one more symbol, that is WAB. Now WAB is not present anywhere. So at the 12th position, I'll enter WAB, right? So now you can see here, we have done till 10th, we have decoded. At 12th, we have to write WAB. So what you are seeing, we are going to do two processes parallelly. One is we are updating the dictionary and second we are decoding it accordingly, right? So we are done till here, WAB. So now what we have to do, we have to encounter from this B, BB. So BB is already there at the 8th position. So I'm going to encounter one more symbol, BBA. Now BBA is not present anywhere. So at 13th position, new entry is made for BBA. Okay. Now what we can see here is one more thing. BBA we have defined here. And then we have A, BBA we have seen already there. Then we have A, B bar. A, B bar is already there at 10th position. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take A, B bar W. A, B bar W is not there anywhere. So I'm going to make a new entry for 14th position, A, B bar W. Right? So here you can see we have already done till 14th position, A, B bar W. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take again WA. WA is already there at 6th position, right? WAB, we will take WA, one more alphabet will be encountered. WAB is already there at 12th position. Now we are stuck here. So we need to decode it further. Up till 12th, we have decoded as WAB. Now I'm going to take it as 9. So 9 position, we have BA. So I'm going to write BA. Now at 11th position, I'm going to decode. At 11th, it is B bar W. So B bar W. Then 7th also I can decode easily. At 7th, I have AB. So it is AB. AB. And then 16th position. 16th, I have not maintained the dictionary till 16th. So I'm going to move back. We have done till here. WAB, it was already there. So I need to move one more alphabet encounter, WABB. So just see here, WABB is not there anywhere. So at the 15th position, I make a new entry for WABB, right? Then I'm going to take for B, BA. BA is already there at 9th position. So encountering one more alphabet, right? Encountering one more alphabet as A, B bar. This was B bar, right? A, B bar, B, A, B bar. So at 16th position, I'm going to add B, A, B bar because this is not present anywhere in the dictionary. So it is B, A, B bar. So at the 16th position, I'm going to add B. I'm going to decode it as B, A, B bar. Right? I can work on with the dictionary further as B bar W, though we have encoded the complete sequence. Give 5 is also there. I'm sorry for this. And this is what? This is for 5. What we have the symbol W. At 5th position, we have the symbol W. Sorry, this was misprint. Now I have to complete the dictionary entry. Till 16th, we have already done. Though we have decoded the complete symbol, complete sequence, it is further entry is done as from B bar I'll take, because till here we have already done. So B bar W is already there at 11th position. So B bar W, A will be taken. B bar W, A is not present. So at 17th position, I'm going to add as B bar W, A. Moving further, AB already there at 7th position. ABB not present. So at 18th position, I'm going to add ABB. Then we have BA. BA is already present at 9th position. You can see. I'll encounter one more BAB bar. BAB bar is also present at 16th position. So I'll take BAB bar W. So BAB bar W is not present. So I'll take it at 19th position, new entry as BAB bar W. So this completes my dictionary also, and the encoded part is also, decoding part is also done. So the complete sequence of alphabets or the string I get is WAB, BA, B bar W, A, B, BA, B bar, WAB, BA, B bar W, AB, BA, B bar W. So just remember two things, that we have to do 2 steps parallelly. One is to update the dictionary, and second thing to decode the sequence which is already given. So I hope you must have understood this particular part. Thank you very much.